All right, y'all, we got another unboxing. I haven't unboxed anything in a long time. So today we are going to unbox whatever the heck this is right here. I was out of town for a week, and before that I was really busy, so I just let the boxes pile up. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside. We will start with this one right here, and I believe this is from Def Jam. So let's see what Def Jam. What would I buy from Def Jam when I have it all right here? What could I possibly find? And that is the brand new Chuck D of Public Enemy. It's called Chuck D Presents Enemy Radio Armageddon. And what was the reason I bought this? Without even listening to it. Number one, he's Chuck D. He's a legend. He hasn't made an album in years that I can remember. This specific album features Daddy-O, Phil Most Chill, Schoolie D, Ultra Mag 7, The Impossibles, Jazzy J, Donald D. A lot of old school cats on here. Now, shout out my guy, DJ Soundwave of Infinite Banter Podcast. He always puts me on to stuff that I might have missed. And usually I don't open up the records, but today I'm going to open this one up. Because the reason that I bought this, record is because he told me that this has a Chuck D autograph inside. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Oh, wow. That is dope, man. So I now officially have Chuck D's autograph. Even though I didn't meet him, I now have Chuck D's autograph. I will probably find a frame to put that in. And as far as reviewing this album, I will not do that because I have not heard it yet. So box number one, that is a winner right there with the Chuck D Presents Enemy Radio Armageddon. So thanks again, Infinite Banter Podcast, for putting me up on that. Box number two, let's see what we have inside. And I mean, sometimes I order stuff months ago, years ago, and you never know what you're going to find, you know. Kind of like these next two. I don't know what they are, but it looks like they're from my favorite website, alcrecords.com. And this is all stuff that I purchased, by the way. I remember back in the day when I used to DJ on the radio show, I would get promo copies. I would be opening up records daily, boxes and boxes of records. But nowadays, I pay for my records, pay for the wax. Once again, they are records, not vinyls. These are records. Oh, this is nice. So the ALC records, I don't know if I ordered this bag or not, but that is a nice presentation right there. Not sure if that's something new he's doing, but it looks like a little ALC records bag that can probably fit about 3 records inside. Once again, ALC, Alchemist, he does the best merch, hands down. If you check out some of my previous videos, you can see some other Alchemist merchandise. And this one here is very special. Little sticker right there, man. One of my favorites, probably my GOAT producer and icon. So every time he drops something, I always try my hardest to support the Alchemist, even though the prices are getting ridiculous. The prices of vinyl should not be that high. But this is only available on wax. This is not available on digital streaming. This is an amazing cover. And I believe I bought the, as he calls it, the pineapple ginger colored vinyl. So yes, it is a yellow vinyl. And this is a, it looks like a 15 track instrumental project from the Alchemist. So that's very impressive right there, man. Alchemist, once again, he never disappoints with the merch, man. Like, seriously, check that out. Put that right there for now. And I believe this is another box from the Alchemist. Let's see what else I ordered. Sometimes I don't know what I ordered. So let's put that knife down right there. And let's unbox some more heat, man. So we got unboxing on top of unboxing. So if you came for some unboxings, man, you just got a box inside of a box. So let's pull that open. It's my birthday recently, so I'm unboxing the birthday presents that I bought myself. So okay, so it seems like this is his new thing that he's doing. As you saw, that one right there, it looks like he is providing a little record bag, perfect size for a record. It looks like he's providing that with all of his new merch. That's dope, man. So which album is this? This is the Alchemist Flying High Part 2. This is a compilation that he did last year. I think I have Part 1 somewhere over here. You can check out a previous unboxing where I unbox Flying High Part 1. This one has tracks featuring Conway the Machine, Action Bronson, Gangrene, Currency. I believe it's only 5 tracks, but the wax includes the instrumentals. And this is a hand numbered 113 out of 700 with the OBI, Japanese OBI strip. Very special. It's a dope, another dope one from the Alchemist. So let's put that one right there. And let's see what is in the last and final box. And then we'll go play these joints, man. It is the Flying High CD. I don't know why I purchased this. I don't really need it because I have the wax, but it's always nice to have a little nice CD packaging as well. Alchemist always does his thing, man. So once again, that is a quick unboxing of a few very special, very dope Alchemist records, along with the one and only legendary Chuck D. Just a quick unboxing video, man, because I love to do them. I think it's really fun. And thank you all for watching. Go check out some of the other videos because they're dope. Anyways, I am DJ Real One, and welcome to my world. Thank you all for watching. Peace.